Hi, it's Sherry Martin, the Social Visionary. As a social media strategist, there are several common challenges and obstacles my clients have shared over and over again. And I bet when you hear them, you'll say, yes, that's what happens for me too. The thing is, social media is supposed to make our lives easier, increase our business cash flow, and help us expand our reach and, as a result, the impact we want to make. Why is it then that instead social media causes so much confusion, stress, overwhelm, and all too often lost time and money in trying to figure out the right way to use it? If any of this rings true for you, and you are ready to learn the keys to winning the social media game, then this may be just what the doctor ordered. Welcome to the GPS Social Media Academy. GPS stands for growth, prosperity, and success. Isn't that what you want social media to do for you? This GPS Academy is your no-fluff, one-stop shop to get the latest and best strategies to use across social media so that you are reaching your ideal clients, increasing your brand awareness, making a big impact, and realizing big income. If you're ready to eliminate overwhelm, save time and money, and be a social media standout getting real results, then you'll want to check out and join us in the GPS Social Media Academy.